Yo, what's up? Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm at break even on my GBP NZD shorts. Very possibly will be taken out at break even. I don't know. It failed to run below, but that's fine. And I am going to hold through consumer confidence my GBP USD shorts. Yeah, I'm still holding this possible shorts on the pound US dollar. So let's see what happens, right? Uh-huh. All right, so because the US Open, let's have a look at US equities. S&P 500. Yeah, let's have a look at that. S&P 5. Yeah, because of consumer confidence. Oh, I'm sorry. It's been one hell of a day, mates. I might just yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to cut my sell limits into two. Not cut my sell limits into two. I'm gonna modify my risk and shave this. I have a two lotter. Now I'm just going to have one lotter. Now my risk is going to be just 0.13% because we do have consumer confidence in about a 6 minutes. So I am um, hold on, only risking 0.13% now. Right. Uh, um, mhm. Okay, so we're cool about that. And um, yeah, let's wait for some. Uh, I'm sorry, haven't had my coffee yet. So this is going to be a very quick live show. I am here for some questions, guys. The chat is there. If you want to chat, just follow the channel. Subscribe to the channel. It's free, right? I think that. All right, let's wait for that data. Consumer confidence in about 3 minutes. Um, let's see if we can get that. Um, that continuation lower on the pound and New Zealand dollar. I'm currently at break even on this trade, running at 35 pips. I am. I'm waiting for the liquidation of these highs on my pound USD to get triggered, to hit my zone, and then boom. So let me see about this. Uh-huh. All right, so I do have a possible short on the S&P 500 that I want to go run. So this would be my, my external liquidity low, previous day's highs. Let's wait and see what happens, guys. New York lows. Yep. So this will be a very nice short. I'm not going to place this yet, guys. Not going to place this yet, just because we do have consumer confidence. But this is a nice 5R possible trade on the S&P 500. Why didn't you send GJ to VIP group? I don't have a GJ short. I have a GBP New Zealand dollar, and this is a F1 strategy, mate. If you want to trade the F1 strategy with me, you have to buy the F1 strategy. Uh, you know, you have to buy the F1 strategy. So seconds before the consumer confidence. What do you think about gold? I haven't looked at gold. Let's have a look at gold. I haven't traded gold today. So yeah, I was possibly looking for longs in shorts in gold, but I didn't have a setup, mate. I just didn't have a setup. You are long the Dow now. Well, congratulations. Well, good luck. That's what I meant. Good luck. So GBP USD. Let's wait and see for that consumer confidence data. My risk is only 0.10%, guys. Only 0.10%. My GBP NZD rocking. All right, about possibly to get trigger here. Still pending. Oof, very bad data. Consumer confidence data. Yeah, let's see what gold did with this data. And the S&P 500. I mean, nothing too big of nothing too big of an actual, you know, nothing too big of a. I'm sorry, I'm just looking at my other screen, just trying to figure out a way to enter on this possible USD long. So if we look at the DXY, no, this is DXY. Let's look at the 3-minute chart on DXY. If this is the last sweep of the lows, right here, we got the market structure shift right here. This would be the entire zone of a pullback. So for a continuation higher, that would give me my entry short on the GBP USD. remove drawings. Yes, I'm really liking the possibility of still getting in on that GBP USD short right here, and very possibly will be taking. If I get triggered, I am going to stick with my 0.13% risk, although just because of how choppy this has been. Let's have a look if we can get in on another. This is with the one that I missed earlier today, which is fine. I'm going to talk about that later. Let's see if we can find another USD long before that GBP USD. Oh, this doesn't look that bad, mates. US dollar, Canadian dollar longs, all the way down here. This looks phenomenal, actually. Just have a look at this. This is all liquidity, right? This is all liquidity. So this is all liquidity. This is the structured lows, right? The Asian session is the structured lows. The previous day's lows were here. So this is exactly what I'm looking at. This is phenomenal. So this is the last rip of the lows. This is the manipulation, right? This was the liquidity grab, right? So we're looking at this as the overall market structure shift, right? On the external structure. This is the external structure market structure shift. Yeah, let me explain about that a little bit later. Now, this is just liquidity. Now let's go to a little bit of a higher time frame, 10-minute chart or so. I'm digging the shit out of this. I am really digging the shit out of this. So let's have a look at a possible New Zealand. This is what US dollar, Canadian dollar longs. This is very good, guys. USD CAD. I'm sorry, my allergies are acting up. Yes, yes, sir. So, I am going to place a possible long here. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Here, 5-minute chart, and look at this. This was an amazing short on. This was an amazing short on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, the one that stopped me out by a few pips, and then I didn't get triggered back in. I have completely changed the way that I place stop losses because of this particular trade on the USD CAD. And here, that should be my draw on liquidity on the higher time frames. This is fine. This is phenomenal, actually. I am going to place on the 5-minute chart. All right, let's see exactly what the hell is going on here, right? This is going to be good. This is going to be good, and I'm very happy with my F1 strategy shorts on the GBP New Zealand dollar running at 35 pips and at break even. It's a free trade now. So, what time is it in New York? Let me Google that. It's 10 a.m. All right, so I do have a little bit of time before I possibly get triggered on this. Now, there's a couple of fair value gaps that you can consider. Now, this is going to be a little bit of educational post, so hear me out. We do have this possible big ass imbalance in the market, but I always look for the imbalance left by the actual volume jumping in, right? So we do have an imbalance here, right? Even though it's filled, it's fine. Um, Now, there's a couple of ways to look at this here. The first way would be to place buy limits here and stop losses here. That's not how I do things. I hate that. I always use my structure shifts, right? So I'm going to place my buy limits here. Is going to be a good long position, buy limits here. Then I'm going to place my stop losses below the structure, the structure lows, right? The hell here. This is the structure low, right? And I'm going to target that draw on liquidity on the higher time frame all the way up here. Now that's my trade for a 4R right here. That's my trade, guys. That's my trade idea, actually. Yeehaw! All right. Just a second. I really like this possible long on the USD CAD. This is by far the highest probability setup that I've seen today. Really, really, really a gorgeous, gorgeous liquidity sweep setup, if you ask me. No, I'm going to place it myself. Then I am going to record the video for my VIP, so hold on. Um, Hey, you know what? I'm going to do some Instagramming also. And I said, God damn. All right. I said I was going to do some Instagramming, so hold on. Let's see if people got scared about my garden snake. Yeah, that was fucking crazy. Oh, let me do some Instagramming first. Oh man. All right, guys, I am live again. I am about to place this phenomenal, buy limit or a long um, live. And yeah, just go to our YouTube channel if you want this trade again. Um, yeah, that's about it. Cool beans. All right, so US dollar, Canadian dollar, right? Here's where I'm placing my buy limits. And of course, here's where I'm placing my stop losses. That's 34, 45, 34, 34, 45. Right. And targeting the 35, 35, 25. Uh-oh. So, this is a very nice, wow. almost a 5R. It's a 4.5R or so. Um, my normal risk on this would be 0.25, guys. So here it is. It's 2.2 lots for me. 0.27. That's fine. Hola. Espérate. Si no querés que te vean, le voy a quitar la cámara. Vaya. Dale. I'm not gonna live forever. All right. So, that's the GBP USD. Possibly. I mean, I didn't get triggered short the GBP USD. That's a bummer. That's a bummer. Actually, you know what? This is going to be swing trade. A swing trade for the swing trade VIP group. Dale. Modifying my entry and my TP on this. This is going to be for my swing traders only. Yep. I have seen the future. This is going to be for my swing traders. Not my VIP. So if you want this trade or updates on this trade, you're going to have to go to my swing trade channel, VIP swing trade channel. Yep, I'm digging the shit out of this. 35.50. So that's a much higher risk to reward ratio now. 35.50. Boom. Okay, now that we have this, I'm going to modify my entry though. Just about this. Yeah, I'm gonna modify my entry a little bit higher. Right here, 30. It's what? 34. 67. Vaya, espérate pues. Dale. 34.67. Now, my risk on this is again 0.25, so I have to go a little lower than this because I modified my entry. So 1.7. Yeah. Now that's what I call music. I have a 4R in my hands. No. Yeah, a little bit of a 4R. Alright, so this is for my swing traders. I'm gonna send this right now. I'm still holding my pound USD and my GBP NZD short running hot. I'm going to send this to my swing traders right now. It's a buy limit, guys, for my swing trading group. I haven't forgot about you. Here are the correct coordinates. And after this, I think I'm going to answer some questions. I'm going to look at some other markets, and I'll be done for the day, guys. and I will be done for the day. All right. Any questions? Let's have a look at what you guys have as questions. Should I play this long on the time frame 5, 15, or 1 hour? It really doesn't matter. You have noticed correlations between stocks and metals, maybe. So I am not going to play any U.S. equities today, guys. Not playing U.S. equities today. Maybe some shorts on, you know, the on the S&P 500, something like this would be awesome. I'll keep you guys posted if you're a VIP. If not, well, you're not gonna get it. I'm just going to record the video for my VIPs here on the 15-minute chart. Yep. That's amazing. Hello, traders. How are you? So why don't we talk about this? U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar long that I'm currently that I currently place on the swing trade group. So basically, what I'm looking at here is this. This was yesterday's lows, and this was just a liquidity grab. If you notice, the market structure shift was created here on what was yesterday's highs. So I'm looking for longs here. After, I'm sorry. Oh, god damn it. You know, I'm gonna restart this recording. All right, guys, how are you? Let's talk about this possible US dollar, Canadian dollar long that I have running. I'm not have running, but I just placed. I'm sorry about that. Now, after the strip of yesterday's lows, this is just a liquidity grab. I was waiting for the shift in the market structure, and that was given to me at the break of yesterday's highs. We are trying to swing trade this. Now, this created a ton of liquidity. All of these lows right here are just liquidity. Weak players in the market trying to get long on the move after the breakout. These players most likely are going to get liquidated. And here is where I have found my entry long on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's rock it, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so you're still holding that EU trade from the VIP group? Well, mate, I don't know what to tell you. That was crazy, crazy of you. So you don't use stop losses, right? That's crazy. Well, you do whatever you want to do, right? I'm just here to show you what I'm doing, um, and you do whatever you want to do. The Zigzugam. Yeah, so this was the trade that I was looking at earlier today before this big move on the Japanese yen. I was looking at possible longs on the US dollar Japanese yen. This was, although not a Japanese yen driven move, but I was looking at this as a possible US dollar driven move. I didn't take this trade. Remove drawings, and not looking to take another one. The Japanese yen. I don't have a setup to go long on the Japanese yen. And to finally get here on my, hold on. This should go here. Where was it? I think this was it. Yes. I hate the red and green. That's not my jam. I hate it. I hate the red and green. I just hate it. I don't know why. I don't like you know those colors on my chart, so I'm going to change my colors here too. Um, what colors I'm using here? This is a soft green, all right. And this is what? This one. Okay. Yeah, but this, I mean, I might have to change the background um, on my F1 strategy. Yeah, I put stop loss at 16. 16. Yeah, let's have a look at what you did, mate. 16, 16. Um, wow, that's a very wide stop loss. I mean, the risk to reward ratio was, I mean, because my entry was, wait, where was my entry? My entry was here, mate. So this was your risk to reward ratio. So negative 0.56 risk to reward ratio. Be careful, mate, because you are in a drawdown. Um, there's a reason why I put my stop losses where I put them, right? It's not because of the fuck of it. But again, it's your trading account. You do whatever you want to do, right? Um, I don't think I am going to look for specific U.S. equity shorts. What I'm looking at is possible. I don't know, right? I still don't know. It depends on this move, right? It depends on this move. This was yesterday's lows, right? This is a real break of yesterday's lows. This move, right, is very bearish. Very possibly will be looking for shorts here. Um, this is just again liquidity. Weak players in the market, waiting to get liquidated. Boom, and more here. So all of this could in fact be the trigger for my possible shorts on the S&P 500. Mhm. So let's wait and see. I'm going to tag it, and I am also going to place an alert here. All right. So here we go. We might get that. Remember that on the USD. Um, what was it? Yeah, I was possibly looking at this. Now, this being, the draw on liquidity, the market structure shift, and a possible pullback towards this level for long continuations. So that would give, in fact, if this plays out, this would trigger me short on the GBP USD. Now let's continue to do that and wait for that possible entry. Today wasn't a really hot day, right? I'm still running this GBP and ZD short, for about 40 pips, but that's the only one. This one right here, and it has been a very, very draggy trade in the sense that my stops are a break even right here, but I mean it hasn't been a very clean move. Some days you're just going to break even or make a little bit of profit. Some days you're going to kill it. All right, so that's it for me, guys. I'm done for the day. If you are a VAP, we are possibly going to get this short on the S&P 500. This was a Dow short that I didn't have a. Oh man, I missed this. I mean, but I can't be in front of my charts 24/7. I completely and utterly missed this one. This was an amazing short. Would have been a sniper short on the Dow. Right here. It's impossible for me to be in front of my screens 24/7. This happened at, yep, I was still asleep. um, but yeah, this was an amazing short. I am going to tag it because I need to review it later, the time of the day, etc. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't miss my shows. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I appreciate that. And of course, more to come with the F1 strategy. More to come. Cheers.